Hello students, let's continue with the same chapter, that is noun. Students, before starting concrete noun and abstract noun, let me tell you about those nouns which are always singular. Now see here, there are some nouns that are always singular. See the example: scenery, furniture, progress, information, money. They remain singular always. They doesn't carry s, or they cannot be plural. Like furnitures, no, only furniture. If you will use in plural, then also you will use furniture. Okay, so they remain singular always. Now, there are some noun which always takes the plural form, like scissors, trousers, pants, goods. It's about thing, goods, material one. Okay, savings, glasses, spectacles. So they always take plural form. It is not scissor, it's scissors. It is not trouser, it's trousers. It is not pant, it's pants. Okay, students? Now, there are certain nouns which are always used in a singular sense, although they have a plural form. Now, there are some nouns which are always used in singular sense, but they have a plural form. Okay, like news, physics, they look like that they are singular. They have a singular sense, but they always work as a plural form, or they always work as a plural, like news, physics, athletics, billiards, crossroads. Okay, now there are certain nouns which are always used as a plural noun, although they have a singular form. Now some noun they are always used as a plural nouns, but they have a singular form. They look as singular, but they work as a plural. Okay, so they are noun which are always used as a plural, although they have a singular form, means they look like singular but they work as a plural. See here, it is written certain noun always used as a plural noun, like cattle. It look, although they have a singular form, like they don't carry s, they have a singular form, but they always use as a plural noun. They look like singular, like cattle, but they have a plural sense. Okay, cattle, police, poultry, data. Okay, now there are some nouns that have the same singular and same plural form. Some noun which have same singular and plural form, like fish, deer, offspring, and spacecraft. They have a same singular and same plural form. Now students, let's see concrete and abstract nouns. Now, concrete noun. Concrete noun refer to things that we can touch or see. So concrete means the things which we can touch and see, which we can see through our eyes and we can touch by our fingers. They can be both countable and uncountable. So concrete noun, they can be both countable and uncountable. Now for example, you can see box, bag, bottle, car, keys, table, milk, oil, butter. These you can see and touch. They can be countable and uncountable. See, these are uncountable and these can be counted, right? Now, abstract noun. Now, abstract noun refer to things which we cannot see or touch. Now, abstract noun we cannot see and touch. In concrete noun we can see and touch, but abstract noun we cannot see and touch, but we can only feel. Okay, they include feelings, experiences, state, qualities, and ideas. Now you can see few examples here. Love, hate, pride. These are feelings and emotions. Now comfort, chaos, courage. They are states. In which state? Comfort state. We are in a chaos state. Okay. Now, freedom, truth, belief. They are qualities and ideas, right? Now, adventure, drought, they are events and experiences. Drought we experience, adventure we experience. Okay? Now, students, let's see collective noun. Now, collective noun are nouns that refer to a group of people or things. Now, as the name is indicating, collective noun refers to the group, means group of people, or it can be thing. Okay, it can be either people or thing. Now see here example, the committee. Committee is a group of people. The committee arrived at the decision together. The audience is also group. The audience cheered for the performers loudly. Now next is the class is also a group of people. The class maintained complete silence while the principal was in the room. Okay, now here it is written other collective noun includes army. Now army, jury, troop and family. They also are a group of people. Okay, students? Some few things you can take: the bundle of books, the bunch of key, okay, the bouquet of flowers. So these are the group of things, or you can say collective noun. Okay, now let's see material noun. What is material noun? Now material noun refer to material or substance used to make things. As the name is indicating, material noun refer to materials or the substance which we use to make things. Okay, material or substance which we use to make things like paper, glass, gold, wood, iron and wool. So these are the material or substance by this we use to make things. Okay, students? See, students, by glass we make glass vase, glass and many other glass things. From gold we make jewelry. From wood we make wood items like table, chair. From iron we make iron things, iron material. From wool we make sweaters and other things. Okay, students? Now students, let's see what is compound noun. Now compound nouns are a noun that are formed by combining two or more words. The compound noun means that they are formed by combining or joining by two or more than two words. Now see here, compound nouns are formed by combining words belonging to different parts of speech. Okay, so we are combining not any kind of word, we are combining words belonging to different kinds of speech. Now you see, first noun plus noun, adjective plus noun, noun plus verb, verb plus adverb. So see here, students, noun plus noun, you see noun, tooth, again plus noun is a brush. So tooth is also noun, brush is also noun, it becomes toothbrush. Now adjective plus noun, green is adjective plus house is a noun, so it becomes greenhouse. Noun plus verb, hair is noun plus cut is verb, haircut. Verb plus adverb, verb take and adverb off. So take off. I hope it is clear, students. Now, compound nouns can be written as, see here, first how the compound nouns can be written. First is single word, like this, it is as it is looking firewood. There is no separation in it, like firewood, bedroom, pancake. Now, second word is hyphenated word, like putting hyphen, putting dash, a small dash. Okay, like check in, dry cleaning, jack in the box. So, hyphenated word. First word was single. First one was single word. There was no hyphen in between, or there was no separation in between. The second is separation by hyphen. Now, third is spaced word. Now, third is spaced word, though there is no hyphen in between, but there is a little gap. Like bus stop, water bottle, post office. You can see there is no hyphen, but there is a little space between these words. Okay, now students, plural of compound nouns can be formed in different ways. Now, how the plural nouns can be formed in the different ways? Now, see here. There are some rules. First, by adding s to the main noun. Now, by adding s, see here example. Mothers-in-law. Mothers is main, mother is the main, so we will add s in the main noun. So, mothers-in-law, not mother-in-laws. No, adding s to the main noun. Main noun is here mother, so we will add s in mother, mothers-in-law. Editors-in-chief. Editor is main noun, so we will add s to main noun, that is editor. Now, by adding s to the end of the word, by adding s to the end of word, any word, like assistant editors. Assistant editors at the end of the word. Water bottles. Okay, so by, remember, it is saying by adding s to the end of the word. Okay, this is the end of the word. Like director, r is ending, so we will add here s. Assistant directors. Water bottles. We say no, water bottles are kept over there. Bottles. Okay, water bottles. No, not waters bottles. No, it will be water bottles. Is it clear? Now, by making both noun plural. Now here, by making both noun plurals. Okay, students? Now, in a first one we have seen we will be adding s to the main noun. Like main noun, here it was mother, so we will put s in mother, mothers-in-law. Now, by adding s to the end of the word means by adding s to the end of the word. Here, assistant directors. Now, or water bottles, by making both nouns plural. Now, men and servant, they both are nouns, so by putting s, men and servants, not men's. It is, man is a singular and men is itself plural. So, men. So, man become men and servant become plural s. So, men servants. So, by adding, by making both noun plural. Okay, men servants. Men is plural and servants, s, by adding s, it becomes plural. Okay, now by adding s or es to the end of the word when there is no obvious principal noun. Now, by adding s or es to the end of the word when there is no, or when we see there is no main. Principal means main. When there is no obvious, or when we cannot see, we cannot find, or when there is no means obvious, when there is no means correct, we cannot find the correct main noun, so that in that sense we can put at the end of the word. So by adding s or es to the end of the word when there is no obvious, where we cannot see the main noun, we cannot find the main noun, there we put s at the end of the word. Okay, like forget me nots, toothbrushes. So here there is no obvious main noun, so here we are putting s at the end of the word. Okay, okay students, so by adding s or es to the end of the word when there is no main or you can say principle itself is called as a main. So when there is no main noun, where you cannot find main noun, okay, like forget me nots, tooth brushes. Okay, so here we are putting s at the end of the word, s or es to the end of the word. Okay students, thank you.